Look, I'm going to show you in real time. This is Notion, and I'm going to screen share on my desktop with a very simple note about what I want to talk to you about today so that you can make stupid, simple content that's actually effective and people want it. They want this content more than ever. In the age of AI, your personal brand, your moat, your content, your likeness, your visual, your speech, people that know, like, and trust you is going to be everything. It's what I call the personal moat. And if you don't start building it now, you might get it's going to get really hard because, a lot of other people are going to be doing this and a lot of other people have these same tools and AI and all these things. So build early and win in the AI age. And here's a simple way to do that with content. Most people have interesting things to say, at least about a couple niches or topics. Sometimes it's very esoteric and it's very, very niche, but guess what? Those people that like those things are online. They'll find you. If you can make content, if you can speak, present yourself with a little bit of lighting, a little bit of doing yourself up, try to look good in camera if you can, and more important than anything, get rid of the ums and ahs and likes in your speech patterns, which this is not easy. This is the hardest part of being good at content, to be honest. It's the hardest part and it takes a lot of time, but if you dedicate practice to it and you start with a setup like this, which I'm gonna show you how to do this, you can record videos every single day in very minimal time. I promise you that this takes me usually 30 minutes, and I can do 5 to 8 videos. Yeah, I don't do any of the back end stuff. I don't post or edit. I have a team for that. So obviously that can be a bottleneck and that takes time. I show up to record in my setup here, and I usually have a link or a few links of things that I want to talk about. Those links come from my X scrolling. I just bookmark stuff, or if I see stuff on LinkedIn, I just take the headline and I'll talk about it later. Even that, I'm working on a system so that my team preps a bunch of basically pre-vetted topics and show outlines so that I can just click the link, record, end, file goes into a folder, and then my team does the rest. But you don't need a team because even with these videos I'm going to show you, I'm not doing any fancy editing. I'm just doing jump cuts. And the thing about cutting out the mistakes is that as you get better with your speech and you're not saying ums and ahs and likes and you're slowing down, editing gets very easy. There's some videos that I don't have to edit at all. As long as I pace myself, I don't jumble my words and go too fast, don't get ahead of myself. I can have videos that are sometimes 2 to 3 minutes that don't require any editing. Maybe like trim the intro or the outro, all right? So this is my setup here, and I'm in my office here with a light here, a key light on a stand and a softbox, okay? $50 on Amazon. I have a smaller light here, which is kind of a side light. I guess you call it a fill, or there's 3-point lighting stuff. You're usually supposed to have a light behind you. I just do my red light. This is good enough for what we're doing here. I could take this to the next level by making it really dark and then having a really cool, fancy background. Maybe I will get to that actually. But you have light 1, primary key light softbox, light 2, it's a bit smaller softbox. And then I have my mic connected to the Mac, which is going into Streamlabs right now. I have the camera here on an arm, which I can move, this Sony arm, see? I can move this, very simple. And, shit, I gotta put it back to where, is that the right view? Oh man, I had the exact setup, maybe right there. Okay, so that is plugged into a power strip that I press the button and it all comes on. This light is on a power strip where I flip the power switch and it comes on automatically. I learned this early on when I did YouTube, that if I had to set up filming at all, if I had to do any setup for filming whatsoever, it was a huge deterrent to me sitting down and recording. So click, open a link, open Streamlabs, done. As simple as you could possibly get it. All I do then is grab a link to respond to. Now this is just a Notion window. See, I'm moving around a little bit. This is a Notion window that I grabbed to make a very quick script to show you something. But what I would actually do here is I can actually do this in the Notion window is I'm going to take this link here. Let me see if it embeds it actually. It doesn't do much for embed. It's a LinkedIn link, which is about Amazon committing this much to invest in Anthropic. Okay, so that's the headline. I'm going to make another video after this where I click that link. It shows here at the top, and I just talk about it. 60 seconds, 120 seconds, etc. People are dying for simple yapping content like this. They want to follow people that they like to follow, that have a personality, a style, sound a certain way, look a certain way, etc. And there's so many people out there that every human on earth can build their own little audience. Everybody's going to appeal to some people. Okay, the key is to just Go out and do it and stay consistent. And with this setup, I can't think of a better way to do that. It's short form video. It fits on all the platforms. It's getting all the engagement right now. I mean, look at YouTube Real Shorts, whatever it's called. No followers there, and your videos get 1,000 views, 2,000 views. It's crazy, okay? I think Gary Vee's talking about how that's the place you need to be. Like, he's always talking about the next big thing. TikTok, Instagram, Shorts. You can even post your videos on LinkedIn. You make one video, and it goes to all those platforms. There's even more platforms you can go to. And we use the tool, Post-its, I don't know if that's spelled correctly, to publish to all of them at the same time. There's 7 accounts we have connected. There's also like Later and Buffer. In fact, that reminds me of a point here. Later, Buffer, Hootsuite, used for posting, backup, and analytics. We still haven't dialed in some stuff on the content team, and we have multiple accounts. So I need to get them on that. Just a reminder for myself there. All right. This is all I do. Okay. You could do this, and I guess a call to action would be to just start it. If you're a founder of a company, you should be starting this right now. If you're young and you don't know what you want to do with your life, you should be starting this now. If you're doing anything, you should start this now, right? Make it about your niche board game obsession and just like record videos on that every day. Make it about news, politics, like just pick something that people want to tune into and they want to hear about and then talk about it. It's as simple as that. Okay. You've seen people, or maybe you haven't, but on TikTok that record one video that goes viral and changes their life. That's what this potential has. You know, I don't do content for like revenue generation. It's more of a long-term thing. I also enjoy it. It's fun. It helps me stay on top of my game with speaking and what's going on in AI and, you know, et cetera. So those are my reasons why, but I think in 6 to 24 months, as I've been saying with all my content lately, the single most important thing is going to be your personal brand. And holy crap, we're at 7 minutes. This is going to be a long video. All right, sorry editors, but I just hired a bunch, so no complaining. But even with this, they're not going to have to do a lot. It's jump cuts. You can cycle through it at 2x speed, scrub through it fast, get out the jump cuts, and even use Descript or some tools like that that can auto cut and remove silences. Like there's a lot of ways to do this. But what I want you to take away from this video is that you set up a simple recording setup, recording and posting and editing. You figure out what those workflows are. Keep it very, very, very simple. You get the same recording setup every single time. You get a topic or a list of topics you want to talk about or respond to. I find that responding to stuff is good because it gives people something to look at while also talking to you. Some people on TikTok just do the straight talking to the camera, you know, and that can work. I think it's a bit harder, to be honest, but it works too. So no matter what that is for you, whether it's a setup like this or whether you're just talking to TikTok, that can work too. Okay. Figure out a setup for you that you can do. You know, you can honestly record twice a week. And I would say do at least 2 to 3 videos each time. And then you have your daily posting. And if you do more than that, you can post up to twice a day, right? And then so on and so forth, you know? It's going to be the most important thing is to build a personal brand network. And there's never going to be a time when we're having an audience there's never going to be a time where having an audience of some kind is not going to be useful. And I believe in the AI future, it's going to be everything because everything else is going to be democratized. It's going to be commoditized. Like nobody's going to have a reason to buy your products or services or pay any attention to you if you don't give them a reason why. And the way to give them a reason why is to start now so that in a year they've been following you. And so when you post content or you send an email to your email list, they have a reason to open because they have a relationship with you because that's what it is. You need to build your network, your relationships, your audience, whatever you want to call it. It's all the same stuff. People that know, like, and trust you, that are willing to hear what you have to say and to buy your products and services or to hire you. On that note, get my free newsletter, betterhumans.substack.com, to help you do just that. And I'm also on YouTube and all the channels, and I'll see you in the next one.